I'm going to show you how to hyperlink an email image using Gmail, and it's pretty simple to do. First thing you have to do is sign into your Gmail account. This happens to be my backup Gmail account. Click on Compose, and I'm just going to, for this example, I'm just going to send this email to myself. And in the subject field, I'm just going to type clickable image. And in a folder, I have my image that I'm going to send in a folder. I'm just going to drag it across and drop it into my email. It'll take a few seconds for it to come up in my email here. Now you need to select your image here, and the way you'll do that is click off of your image over here and hold down your mouse button and drag across until your image turns blue. That means your image has been selected. Then the icons down here at the bottom, you want to select the horizontal oval shaped icon which says Insert Link. Select that, and here make sure that your web address is selected here, and in this box you will either type or paste the website that you want to link this image to. I'm just going to, for this example, I'm just going to link this to google.com. Then you'll press OK. And now, if you click on your image, at the bottom here, you will see it says go to google.com. That's where your image is linked to. I'm going to send this to myself. I will click on my email here. This is the actual email. It'll take a couple seconds for the picture to come up. Now you see it when I put my cursor over the image, the cursor changes to a hand. I will click the image and it takes me to google.com. That's how you hyperlink an image using Gmail. Thanks for watching.